All right, welcome back. It is Thursday. That means our veterinarian, Dr. Joe, is here to answer all of your pet questions this afternoon. He's brought along little Olivia Gray. She is a 2-year-old terrier cross.
Yes, she's a good little girl here. She's actually, I told everybody, she's kind of got bad ears and bug eyes, and
Aww.
but she's a very nice little dog. She's not really worried about anything. She's actually very relaxed and sit back and everything. And she's a little pet adoption league dog. She's over at our clinic. They can call over there and kind of see. But if you're looking for like a little terrier, this is as big as she'll get. She's really, she's a little longer. You were asking me about dachshund. I don't think there's any dachshund. She's just kind of longer, but she's not very thick.
No, she's not very hefty, not at all.
So,
and one of her puppies was on just a couple weeks ago.
Yep, she had some puppies, so we kind of give her a little time to kind of get back in shape or whatever. I don't know.
Now she's ready to go.
She's ready to go. So if,
so
you're looking for a little black terrier, here she is. So
all right.
Well,
we love her. She's sweet. All right, let's get to our questions. Alexis's question is, does my dog need a dental cleaning?
Yeah, you know, dogs like people, they vary how often their teeth really need to be cleaned. But my rule of thumb is especially when there's more brown showing than white, you know, and that's tartar, then they should be cleaned. And the gums, and your veterinarian can kind of show you this, if they're inflamed, they're receding, they're red, really foul odor, then that's a really good indication as well. So, but your veterinarian can kind of show you and kind of go over that. Most of them will let you kind of look, and it's kind of like us, you know.
If it's starting to look a little rough, might be time.
Yep, might be time. So.
All right. Okay, James wants to know, do dogs need blood tests?
Well, I mean, the short answer is yes. I mean, at some point in everyone's life, they should have blood tests. But, you know, dogs are like people, they can benefit, meaning that, you know, it lets you know what's going on internally. You know, the older they get, I think the more important blood work is, but your veterinarian can kind of decide whether it'd be beneficial. You know, some dogs like Dobermans have von Willebrand's disease, and you can tell if they're bleeders or not and things like that, even when they're young. So it's good stuff to have, but yeah.
All right, so Chris asks, how often should my puppy be examined by a veterinarian?
So my recommendation is that puppies examine every time they receive their vaccine boosters. It's a good time to talk about things behavioral. A lot of times, you know, people don't think of behavioral as a problem or a thing that you talk about, but in the exam we kind of talk about that. And we do that at 8 and 12 and 16 weeks, generally around there. But other things that have been examined, you know, if they're vomiting, diarrhea, itching, and behavioral problems. You know, a lot of times puppies, you know, they have to learn just like kids, and you know, they can, you know, you can benefit from going in and talking about it and kind of showing you some things and going from there. So where are you going?
Oh my gosh, she's ready to go.
She is. I'm not sure what she saw there.
She's like, where are we going?
Yep,
Can we
saw
play?
Something, I don't know, it was a shadow or something.
Yeah, she's so sweet though. She's been pretty calm. So
she's a good dog. She really is. So.
All right, Olivia Grace, what a pretty name. All right, well, if you have a question for Dr. Joe about your pets, please post it to our Facebook page, KJRH TV. And if you're interested in adopting little Olivia Grace, you can call Heritage Vet at the number you see right there on your screen. And if you want to learn more about Heritage Vet or see other pets who need homes, go to our website, kjrh.com. Thank you, Dr. Joe.
Thank you.